Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into an important topic that every aspiring developer should know about. In this video, we'll be exploring what a framework is and why it's incredibly useful. So, if you're ready to level up your coding knowledge, make sure to stick around until the end. And hey, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to join our amazing community of fellow developers. Let's get started. What is a framework? In programming, the simplest way to think of a framework is as a helper. A programming framework helps provide the required supports and guides to speed up your development process and accomplish your goals. In most cases, they will be in the form of libraries or components that allow you to jump right into the core of your task rather than starting from scratch each time. From creating reusable functions to implementing recyclable CSS classes, developers across the board are constantly trying to find clever ways to reduce the amount of code that they need to write. Number 1. Saving time. This constant desire to save time is one of the core reasons that coding frameworks have remained among the important tools to have in your arsenal. These frameworks help supercharge your efficiency by placing the foundation for your project, allowing you to get started straight away rather than spend weeks laying the initial blocks required to get your code running. By choosing a suitable framework, you can focus on ensuring your code is efficient and structured while also being confident that you can meet any troublesome deadlines. Number 2. Code is more secure. With the rise in data privacy regulations and personal security, the need for writing secure code has become paramount in recent years. Fortunately, most programming frameworks are dedicated to ensuring that their code is as free of bugs as possible. Often, this means that a substantial amount of time and resources are devoted to maintaining the framework's security and limiting the possibility of any attackers infiltrating the system. Number 3. Simpler testing and debugging. While writing meaningful test cases and successfully debugging code remains a pain to most developers, frameworks can often help to alleviate the stress. Generally, when writing code from scratch, you will need to test all functions and classes that you create, including all foundational data structures. However, frameworks prove that this does not have to be the case. Number 4. Clean and easily adaptable code. Successful frameworks tend to place a considerable amount of focus on creating code that is easy to understand. While the definition of clean code varies depending on the framework, a substantial amount of emphasis is always placed on ensuring that any other user of the framework can comprehend the execution flow of your code and recognize the general purpose of your project. There are 6 types of frameworks. 1. Web application frameworks. 2. Front-end frameworks. 3. Back-end frameworks. 4. Mobile development frameworks. 5. Data science frameworks. 6. Content management frameworks. Now let's talk about why frameworks are so useful. One of the major benefits is that they save us time and effort. Instead of starting from scratch and writing every line of code ourselves, frameworks provide us with pre-written, reusable code that we can leverage to speed up development. This not only accelerates the process but also reduces the chances of introducing errors. Another advantage of using frameworks is the consistency they bring to our projects. Since frameworks establish a predefined structure, naming conventions, and coding standards, it becomes easier for developers to collaborate on a project. It also simplifies the onboarding process for new team members as they can quickly familiarize themselves with the framework's conventions and get up to speed faster. So, there you have it. Frameworks are a powerful tool for developers, providing a solid foundation, saving time and effort, ensuring consistency, enhancing security, and future-proofing our code. Whether you're building a web application, a mobile app, or even working on complex systems, leveraging a framework can significantly boost your productivity and efficiency. I hope you found this video helpful and gained a better understanding of what a framework is and why it's so useful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. And remember to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching and happy coding!